Our health report this midday. A local organization is doing what they can to keep Valley residents as healthy as possible. The center just recently received an immunization grant, and they are now providing free vaccinations for HPV, TDAP, the flu, and hepatitis B. Joining us now in studio is the Director of Operations at the center, Andre Wade. Andre, thanks so much for joining us. This is obviously very exciting news for you and everybody at the center to be able to provide these for free for folks out there. What has the interest level been? Have you seen a lot of people coming in since you have started the program?
Absolutely, we have. We started in February, so for February and March, we've had 62 individuals come in, which translates into about 168 vaccinations that we've given out. So we're very excited to see what the April numbers look like.
Tell us, who is eligible for this? Can anyone just come into the center and say, hey, I'd like to be vaccinated?
Sure, anyone's eligible. You want to check the vaccinations that you want to get because there are age requirements and restrictions. For those who are under 18, they need to have a parental consent. But anyone who's in need of vaccinations, if you're sexually active and need HPV vaccinations, come to the center on Mondays and Wednesdays between 10:30 and 11:30 and 1 and 4:30.
And this is a service that, if folks are not insured, would cost them a great deal. How much do you think people are saving by getting their shots at the center instead of paying out of pocket?
You know, hundreds of dollars, and that's why we are able to do this with funding from the state in partnership with the Southern Nevada Health District. We're able to bridge the gap, link people to service that they might not otherwise have for free, which is very important.
People at home may just be hearing letters. You know, we're throwing out a lot of medical acronyms out there. Let's spell it out for them. These can really help protect people's health and can possibly even save their lives if they have these vaccinations.
Absolutely. One you didn't mention is meningitis. We offer that. Influenza, which is the flu. You have your tetanus, your diphtherias, and pertussis for liver, whooping coughs. And then HPV, the human papillomavirus, for sexually active folks who, it's actually a disease that's actually quite easy to get. And so if it's something that you can prevent through a vaccination, then we're going to have a healthier community overall.
And of course, HPV can manifest itself into much more dangerous illnesses down the line.
Absolutely.
So it's important to curb it before you get it. I want that information to be brought up on the screen. If we can bring that up one more time so folks know where to go. Again, for all of these free vaccines, they're available. Can you give me the dates one more time?
Mondays and Wednesdays.
Mondays and Wednesdays. We have that. I want to correct that on your screen right now. It's Mondays and Wednesdays. Just go on down to the center. It's located on Maryland and Clark, I believe.
Sure, 401 South Maryland Parkway.
Thank you for the address right there.
Absolutely.
And again, free vaccinations, you're going to be offering them now through the end of the year. Go on down and say, Andre, tell them you saw him right here on Midday. Jess, over to you.
Yeah, next week might be